Hi, Naptime friends. It's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a resin art fire and ice project, and we're going to be using mostly LeRez epoxy pigment pastes, but I do have a glitter and some suncatcher. Check out that steel blue. It's like a gorgeous electric blue. And this is apatite blue. It's my new favorite blue. It's got a green undertone. It's really, really gorgeous. I'm also going to be using blushing pink, angel white. Check out the blushing pink. It's a nice shimmery dusty rose color. I like to call it dusty rose. And then the angel white, of course, is my all-time favorite white. I'm also going to be using silver rose. This is a very, very pretty color. It's got a lot of silver to it, which I really, really love. I'm going to start using more silver because I use a lot of gold, but silver's really pretty too. And then I'm also going to be using the Sassy Red, and this is a really nice, deep, true red. And I'm also going to be trying out the Indigo Galaxy Ultra Fine Glitter. Check out how sparkly this is. It's really stunning. And then also, the last thing is my favorite Suncatcher powder pigment. This stuff is amazing. So I'm going to be working on this 6x6 piece of MDF. It has a routed edge, and all I did to prime it was just took it outside and sprayed it with 2 coats of spray paint and primer. So I'm going in with my apatite blue, and I just did like a squiggly line going across the center. The top part's going to be my blue section, the ice section, and then the bottom part is going to be my fire section. And this is the silver rose that I'm going in with now. It's really, really, really gorgeous. You'll see in the end, you can spot the silver rose. And then my sassy red, I'm just going to fill in this little section right here. And I forgot to say too, on this project, I used Promarine tabletop epoxy, and I just mixed that up for 3 minutes off camera. If you want to see how to mix up your resin and all your pastes and pigments, I will put an iCard right here in the corner. Just click that and it'll take you straight to that video. So in the fire section, I just laid down some of the blushing pink right along with the sassy red. And here I'm going in with the steel blue. This blue is so stunning. It's a really bright, gorgeous metallic blue. And now I'm just going in with my Indigo Galaxy glitter that I had mixed up in some clear resin, and I'm just putting that all over both the sections because you know I love glitter. And now I'm going in with the Angel White. This is my favorite white. If you guys are looking for a white that'll give you cells and lacing, definitely check this white out. It's a really pretty opaque white. So I'm just going in with my heat gun on high heat, and I'm going to kind of blend everything together, move around any of the harsh lines. Now I'm just going to pick it up and give it a nice tilt. I'm going to move some of that red back down. I wanted half of it to be ice and half of it to be fire. Here I'm just going in with a little bit more of the Angel White. I wanted to have a little bit more white on there. Now I'm going back in with my heat gun on high heat and just blending that white out. Here I'm just giving it a little bit more of a tilt, trying to move that red back down to the red section. And now I'm going to go in with some Suncatcher and just do some highlights, just like you would with a gold. The Suncatcher is so pretty. It has a gold undertone, so you don't even really need gold because especially if you're working on a dark background, your dark background really makes that pop. It's just stunning. I love it. And when I do my gold highlights or any highlight, I like to go around the lines that are already naturally there on the painting. Now I'm just going in with my heat gun on high heat and popping any bubbles. Be sure to also get your edges because you can get bubbles on the sides. So be sure to hit those as well with the heat gun. And now I'm going to take it to my dust-free zone. I'll show you what it looks like after it's dry in 24 hours. And here it is. Off camera, I took my finger and did some little swirly lines just to connect the fire and ice sections. I'll link an iCard right here so you can see exactly how I do that in one of my previous videos. The apatite blue and the steel blue go really nicely together. In the silver rose, you can see it right here, just popping up through there. That color is really gorgeous too. It's got like, I want to call it a lilac undertone to it. And then you can see the suncatcher shining really nicely. Check out the Indigo Galaxy glitter. It just really pops on that dark background. It's just stunning. I love that glitter so much. What do you guys think about this piece? Let me know down in the comments. I also wanted to put in some still shots for you guys so you could see what it looks like in some still photos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you so, so much. I hope everybody is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you on Friday for another video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Bye.